Hi everyone. Okay, so now I would like to add a card which just shows where most of the money was being spent. So I want to show it by product category. To do that, we'll add another worksheet, and I'm just going to name it cost cards. And what we can do, we can add product category into rows. So we have the three product categories: accessories, bikes, and clothing. Now I would expect most of the money to have been spent on bikes, but it's good just to see how it's trending on each year that we look at. So we just have a cost field here, and we can just drag that into text. And now it's going, yeah, as you can imagine, most of the money gets spent on bikes. So let's just show this cost as we'll change our default properties again to be a currency with 0 decimal places. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it. You could make it thousands, but I like just seeing the whole value. And yeah, this one's pretty straightforward. That's really all I want to show here. We can format it while we're here, and just we'll remove our row banding. So under our fill bucket shading rows, that just removes the bands that you can see the color. Now it's only showed it for rows, but we want to remove the header as well. And then also the dividers, we'll just remove them, and I'll just hide the field labels. Okay, we could center it as well, but it's not really necessary, I don't think. Now we want to actually, because our year parameter, if I just close our formatting, we want this to apply to not all worksheets, because as you know, our year-on-year percent change, if it applies to this, it will not work, because it will only be filtering it to 1 year, and we need to include, because the calculation looks at 2 years, we don't want to include it here. So let's just include it to the sheets that we want. So if we just drag our year filter in, true, and apply it, then it's only going to filter to the year that we select here in our parameter. Okay, I just tested out there. If we right click the filter though and apply to worksheets, you can only select the worksheets that you want to apply it to. So yep, I'll apply it to everything really, except our year-on-year percent change. Yep, our map, our bubble chart, and our bar chart. Okay, and then you can see the little icon applies on the left hand side, and then it's going to automatically show up in all these sheets now, except year-on-year percent change. Okay, so now we're ready to put our dashboard together. So I'll see you in the next video.